Hey guys, what's up? This is Ray Tang, creator of Optifold. So pretty much we're in the stage where we're planning to do the manufacturing for a Walmart marketplace. One of the things that I noticed, I wish there could be some improvements, is the tapes liner card. This is the liner card. I just wish that it would be much more easier to remove the tape members from the actual carrier. We got this package from, what does it say in the name? They changed their name. There used to be, it's Label Innovations, but now they're called AWT. I think it's packing and some kind of name. But here we go. See, they still got their old logo, Label Innovations. So here I should be getting some materials. It's these carrier cards, like this transparent square thing. Okay, let's see what's up. Here we have the technical data sheets for materials from the test outs. Okay, looks like materials are here. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, look, they already put their end tapes. These are like sample. You can see how rough cut they are, and it doesn't have that middle section. So what I'm gonna do is see whether this material is actually I think it's like a lower coefficient of friction, such that it'll be easier to remove this from the material. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Here's the old. Okay, just by removing this piece of medical tape, although I already removed this so the adhesive will be slightly worn, but I can tell this one's a lot more easier to remove. Let me try using the old end tape. Okay, this is the existing end tape. Now, I want to remind you guys, like, if I end up selecting this one because of its improved performance, it'll take about like 5 to 6 months before this one actually makes it to the final production. Yeah, I can tell just removing this one from the old one. Compared to, say, try a new one, like say this one here, the second one or not. Yeah, I like the way. Okay, let's see how this goes here. Yeah, it's easier on this one. So I'm going to select this material for the liner card. It just makes it more easier for the user to remove it from the carrier. And I just want to double check on this. So these are some of the materials, the stats for it. Okay, I think we're done this testing. Thank you, AWT.
As you brought this idea forward, you saw a need, you saw products, other opportunities that weren't working. What gave you that drive or desire to keep going to make this, to be able to do this?
There are two answers for that. On the core answer why I began this, because I thought it's so easy to do this treatment. I just cut the tapes. I'll be willing to do it by hand because I felt like, all you have to do is have a few tapes and that can erase your problem, what I experienced. I'll do for you. So part of that was a bit of a need. So I wanted to sacrifice. I wanted to. Then the next level will be like, oh, why mass production? Because you realize this is more of a community thing, and it's something that can impact